back to Crypto Rally. It is April 2nd, 2026, and first we are going to look at Bitcoin, see what it's doing, then we'll look at PUP, and we'll look at Pixel real quick. So looking at Bitcoin, see from this low bounce at 64K, and this is the hourly time frame, up to the high at $69,289. We're coming down, we're testing the 618.786, so we're coming down, we're bouncing, consolidating, trying to get out of it. If we do break down through it, my non-financial advice opinion, we'll be coming to visit between the 1.272 at 63,812 and $62,400. This will be the next target. So let's check the fibs on the hourly. RSIs are towards the bottom, which is bearish consolidation. So we're going to start turning up, hit bullish. Alright, so if we break through here, we visit these levels. Let me go ahead and go to the weekly. So these levels on the hourly are between 63,812 and 62,400. So go to the weekly support. 1 week, and then I go from the highest bounce that we had at $76,022 down to the low at $60,000. Right now we're currently holding this weekly support. You can see we've wicked in, came back up, wicked in, came back up, wicked through, came back up, wick, wick, and so we're using this line right here as support, this green zone. Start closing levels in here, we'll close through. My opinion will be coming down to $56,741 and $51,836. And then also, if we do wick through here, let's go back so I can remember what the hourly was. Hourly was between 63,812 and 62,400. Back to the weekly. So that will bring us, the first fib would this 63,812 would be right in this level right here, the 786, right above it. And the other ones would get us through this, and then we would look for lower prices. And the first lower price was 62,000, so we could still come in here and bounce up, but if we break this low, we're heading down here, 56,741 and 51,836. So that's the bearish. Bullish, let's go over to the daily. So from this recent bounce at $76,025 to this low at $64,938. If we bounce up, right now you can see we're bearish, but if we do hold this and don't come below it and bounce up, first target would be between 73,500 and 71,582. And if we get through there, we'll get to the 1618 and the 1236 at 83,803 and 78,906. So that will be my targets if we do turn bullish and break through these levels. So that's Bitcoin. Let me go to PUP. PUP from this high to this low. Right now we're just looking for consolidating between the 236 and 382. So consolidating. RSI on the 4-hour, stock RSI is at the bottom, still above the 50 line on the 4-hour regular RSI. Daily was still here at the top, and that could be bullish, but also if we start turning down, that's bearish. And then we're still above the 50 line on the daily. Hourly, we're starting to round, come back up in this zone, so to me we're consolidating, and so I'm trying to draw a little trend line if we want. Right here, here, here. So we should have some type of decision by April 4th, so 2 days. If we stay in here, we normally don't stay towards the end, but we should make a decision if we're going to break through this or come down lower. So that's what we're looking right now, and if we do come down lower, here's the 618.786 between 0.0001738 and 0.0001389. And then if we break through, here's the big 236 level that we talked about yesterday. But if we do break through here, and this low right here, see, this is the low. We don't go any lower than this. We start going up. This would be my first targets. Between the 1618 at 0.0003576, 0.0003236. So we get through this 236. That's good. It's a major 236 from the top. I'll show you right before I get off of here. So head to this area right here if we break through. If not, coming back down to these lower levels. And then the major levels, these green lines, are just from the very top to the bottom. So on a bigger time scale, we'll be looking for the first resistance here between 0.0008178, 0.0006632, and if we break through that, then the all-time high, then we're kind of higher to like $1 million market cap area. So that's what I'm looking for right now. The areas I told you for PUP. Going over to Pixel. So we're going from this is where we're at yesterday. We had this high down to this low right here. The 786618 area. So if we get through here, going up to this area, and we hit the 1.236 at 0.009995. So that we hit that resistance coming down, we're consolidating. We're going to consolidate and then try for these higher levels, or we could come down to this lower level right here. I mean, like, we can, this does not change anyway, change this fib right here and say we do bounce right off of where we're at right now. Still, these fibs are right in that green area, so really no reason to change it. But we want to find the lower targets. So we go from this top right here, reverse the fib. So we reverse the fib, so from this top to here. This was the 76 that we had yesterday, but we're looking down here, right here. So I'll just delete this since we're kind of bearish. So right now, from top down to this low, we're holding above the 236, so we want to hold this, consolidate, and head towards the fill these levels or higher. If not, my major support zone here at the 0.618 at 0.003991 and 0.002354. So major support down here. See support, support, support. Once we finally broke it, took off. So let's hopefully consolidate in these levels and head higher. Look at the RSIs. The RSI on the 1 hour is coming down. Regular RSI is coming towards this 50 line, so if we come down, bounce, go higher. 4 hour, still bullish at the top. Hopefully it doesn't cross and come back down. And I don't think there's any daily info yet because this coin is new. So this is what I'm looking at on Pixel. And that is all I have for you today. Again, not financial advice. I'm going to try and start doing some live streams, trying to get that all set up. But for now, I'm just doing this. And again, not financial advice. Have a great day, and like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one.